I'm going to show you the simplest way to synchronize this entire sequence so it looks like this. This is a podcast shoot, 3 cameras. And as you can see, there are 28 files in total, and the combined duration is just over 1 hour. I will now delete what's already been synchronized. We will be left with just the original sequence, and that's it. Go to File, Export Final Cut Pro XML. We will save it into a folder called XML Original. Now we will use a program called KlikSync. This is a tool that can synchronize an entire shooting day with just one click. All the information about this program can be found in the description of this video. We click Browse, select the XML we just exported, and then click Synchronize. That is literally the only thing you need to click. As you can see, synchronization started at 10 hours 4 minutes and 50 seconds and finished at 10 hours 9 minutes and 7 seconds. So the synchronization took 4 minutes and 17 seconds. Once the program is done, it will offer us the option to save the XML. We will save it into a folder called Synchronized. Okay, let's see what we got. I'm going to File, Import Synchronized XML. Open. As you can see, there's a new sequence. When we open it, we can see that everything is there. Everything is perfectly synchronized. I will be using these 2 audio tracks, as those are the external microphones I want to hear. And this is the first video track we will check.
My mom stayed behind and they decided that I would. Gavin Newsom, he's up. Don't have any clothing on. And a woman was in there with her daughter who was 16 years old. To go that route, they lose themselves. I know.
Okay, as you can see, all files in video track 3 are successfully synchronized. Now let's take a look at video track 2. I'll zoom in a bit so we can see better.
Press.
Yeah, thank you. My parents made me speak it.
And just have live music. And for me, I think
everything looks good here.
LA, it's a terrible freaking place to live.
The other things were made illegal.
It's not easy to be like, no. Let's be real.
A lot of the majority of women most went to Zimbabwe. My mom got a really big position there, and then
to date our people, right?
Yeah, same.
Everything in track 2 is perfectly synchronized. Let's now check the third camera. I'll zoom back out a little.
I guess I kept up with it, but a lot of people in diaspora would be able to see it around you.
Wow.
And different colors and second-class citizen, because I couldn't go out to a bar and some people propaganda on what they are. Really look to provide value first rather than go to a country where they're like, oh, you're from some.
Okay, everything here looks good as well. Also, we can import this same XML into DaVinci Resolve as well. I'm going to File, Import XML, and it works perfectly. As you can see, all tracks are there. For more information about KlikSync, check the link in the description of this video.